In primetime news this evening, artificial creation. JMEA blames devaluing dollar on banks and other financial institutions. Stakeholders dismiss Michael Lee Chin's call for changes that would allow permanent secretaries to be fired. And security changes to take effect at Bustamante Children's Hospital in a matter of days. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Janella, we're talking about the chairman of the Economic Growth Council, also in business. He seems fed up with the government because underperforming assets are yet to be divested. Michael Lee Chin says he's tired of excuses, and I'll have more on that in the Business Day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen for the latest in sports. Karen, what's coming up?
Well, Herman, two exciting semi-finals this afternoon in the Issa Walker Cup. We'll tell you who those finalists are.
All right, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on suggestions that media should report less on crime to protect the tourist industry?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.